Hello, and welcome to 80/20's Product Highlight Series. Today we're going to take a look at the locking grabber handle. This handle combines a slam action latch, a handle, and a lock into one convenient unit. It's easy to install, and it's available in both fractional and metric. Now the handle does come with all recommended mounting hardware, however your panel is going to need a machining service in it. More information on 80/20's machining services can be found in the 80/20 product catalog. Now when it comes to installing it, you'll take the locking portion first, put it into the panel. You'll take the backing plate and slide it onto the back side, and we'll sandwich the panel right in between them. You'll take your screws and start hand tightening them down. Get that bottom one on there. From there, you'll take your Phillips screwdriver and tighten those down. Now the last thing you'll want to do is move your strike plate into position. We've got ours preloaded into the T-slot already, so we'll line it up with the latch. We'll take our wrench, we'll just tighten that down. Once you have that locked into place, you have a strong, secure connection. Now, one other thing you'll want to note is that there's a lever on the inside so you can open it from either direction.